For those unfamiliar, Wonderland is a module within Samsung's Good Lock customization suite. It allows users to design and apply interactive, animated wallpapers that respond to touch and motion. Whether you want a galaxy that moves with your phone's tilt or a whimsical animation that reacts to your taps, Wonderland makes it possible. This feature is especially appealing to users who love to personalize their devices beyond the standard themes and wallpapers. It's a creative playground that turns your phone into a canvas. The problem: dynamic wallpapers not syncing on foldables. Despite its popularity, Wonderland has recently run into a problem, particularly on foldable devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Users have reported that after restarting their phone, the dynamic wallpapers don't always appear correctly. The issue seems to be tied to how the phone handles its dual-screen setup. Here's what's happening. If the phone restarts while the cover screen is active, the wallpaper may not apply to the main screen. Conversely, if the phone restarts while the main screen is active, the cover screen might lose its wallpaper settings. This results in an inconsistent and sometimes jarring user experience. For those who take pride in their phone's appearance, it's a small but annoying glitch that disrupts the seamless aesthetic they've worked to create. Samsung's official response. Thankfully, Samsung is aware of the issue. The company's Good Lock support team has responded to user reports on community forums, confirming that the bug has been identified and a fix is in the works. According to the official statement, the solution will be included in the upcoming One UI 8 update. Since this is a system-level issue, it requires a full OS update rather than a simple app patch. That means users will need to wait for One UI 8 to roll out to their devices before they see a resolution. What to expect from One UI 8? Samsung's One UI 8 is shaping up to be a significant update, bringing not only bug fixes but also new features and performance enhancements. Currently, the Galaxy S25 series is testing the beta version of One UI 8, and early feedback suggests a smoother, more refined user experience. The stable version of One UI 8 is expected to launch soon, starting with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7. Once it's available, users can expect improved compatibility and syncing of dynamic wallpapers across both screens, enhanced performance and stability for Good Lock modules, new customization options and animations within Wonderland, general UI improvements and bug fixes across the system. What should you do in the meantime? If you're currently experiencing this issue on your foldable Samsung phone, there's no need to panic. While it may be frustrating, the problem is temporary and a fix is on the horizon. In the meantime, you can try manually reapplying your wallpapers after a restart or switching to static wallpapers until the update arrives. Final thoughts. Samsung's commitment to user customization is one of the reasons its devices stand out in a crowded smartphone market. While the Wonderland bug has caused some inconvenience, the company's quick acknowledgement and promise of a fix in One UI 8 is reassuring. If you're a fan of dynamic wallpapers and own a foldable Samsung device, keep an eye out for the One UI 8 update. It's going to bring the polish and consistency you've been waiting for.